Never eat blueberries with these for foods. Have you ever stopped to think why so many nutritionists urge those over 60 to make blueberries a daily staple? What's so special about this tiny purple berry that it consistently ranks among the top 10 superfoods worldwide? Imagine. Start each morning with a handful of blueberries, and within a few weeks, you start noticing sharper memory recall, clearer vision and a natural boost in vitality. Today we will dive into how to maximize the power of blueberries and crucially uncover 3 foods you should never pair them with, as those combinations can wipe out their benefits or even pose health risk. I'll reveal 4 everyday foods that turn blueberries from anti-aging heroes into health hazards. Plus, I'll show you the best way, and best time, to eat blueberries for maximum brain and heart support. Before we dive in, drop your city age in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more tips on healthy aging. Here are the first 2 of 5 key ways blueberries can transform your well-being after 60. Want to find out what it is? Before I reveal it, leave a comment below, sharing where you are watching from and how old you are. Let's see how many of us are choosing to protect our strength as we age. And don't go anywhere, because coming up next is a simple but powerful tip. Now let's get started. Why are blueberries so beneficial? They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These protect your cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support memory and cardiovascular health. Blueberries are one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet, but did you know that what you eat them with can actually cancel out or even reverse their benefits? They are. Food number 1, dairy, especially milk or yogurt. I know, this is a popular combo, blueberries in yogurt or cereal. But dairy proteins can bind to blueberry antioxidants and prevent your body from absorbing them. If you love yogurt, switch to a dairy-free version like coconut or almond yogurt instead. Food number 2, bananas. Yes, bananas are healthy on their own, but they're high in natural sugars and can spike blood sugar quickly. When eaten with blueberries, the rapid sugar spike may blunt the antioxidant response. It's better to pair blueberries with a slower digesting fruit like berries or apples. Food number 3, oranges. Citrus fruits like oranges are acidic and vitamin C rich, which can actually interfere with certain antioxidant enzymes from blueberries when consumed in large quantities together. While both are nutritious, space them out for better nutrient absorption. Food number 4, coffee, right after blueberries. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants, but timing matters. If you drink coffee immediately after eating blueberries, the caffeine may reduce your body's ability to absorb flavonoids. Try spacing your coffee at least 30 to 45 minutes apart. Now, when is the best time to eat blueberries? Mid-morning is ideal, your digestive system is active, but not overloaded. This is when your body can absorb and use the antioxidants most efficiently. Want to supercharge the benefits? Here are 3 brain and heart-boosting blueberry pairings. Chia seeds, rich in fiber and omega-3s, they help regulate blood sugar and amplify blueberry benefits. Avocado, the healthy fats in avocado enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants. Cinnamon, just a pinch added to your blueberries helps balance blood sugar and boost cognitive function. And here's a common mistake to avoid. Many seniors store blueberries too long, and eat them after they've lost most of their potency. For max benefit, eat them fresh within 5 to 7 days, or buy frozen berries that are flash frozen at peak ripeness. Avoid those for common food pairings. And don't forget, timing and consistency are key. Blueberries work best when eaten regularly and wisely. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent after 50.